Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted files from your Windows 11 computer. So it will be really simple and quick guide. So first of all, as you can see, here is my drive. I will delete this image file from here. So I will shift delete and click on yes. And if I'll go to my recycle bin, as you can see, file is not there. It's permanently deleted from my computer. So if you want to recover any permanently deleted file on your computer, what you need to do is just go to the website which is cccleaner.com. Recover, the software name is called Recover. So you just need to download the free version from here. Download free version and click on free download, and here in the click on download button, as you can see, it's downloading. After downloading, just open it up and simply tap on this install here. Wait for it, and now as you can see it installed. Just click on run recover. Now click on next. Here it will show you which type of file you want to recover. So in my case it is picture. So if you don't know your file name, then you can select here all files. I will select only pictures and click on next. Here you can specify your drive, like from which type of you want to recover the file. So in my case it is. If you are not sure, you can select this option, I am not sure. So I know my drive location, so I will select here and click on OK. Now click on next. So right now I will not enable deep scan. I will do the normal scan. Click on start, and here is the file as you can see. So you just need to select and click on recover, and you have to select the location, and if you click on yes, it will recover the file on your Windows 11 computer. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to recover permanently deleted files in Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.